everyone, it's Kim with Memories Cast Love. If you like what you see, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. Once we have 100 subscribers, I'll have a Dollar Tree giveaway. I really hope you enjoy this craft, so let's get started. For this project, we will need a frame with the saying, "Life's most beautiful things are not seen with your eyes, but felt with your heart." And then a pack of the foam sheets. These have the red or pink hearts. There's 3 in here. We'll be only using 1. Then we need a flower. I picked up the asters because I thought they would look cute with the hearts. That's it for supplies, except for you will need a protractor, which who knows if anybody still has protractors around. Not even sure if Dollar Tree sells them, but that makes it easy with the circle in here. If you don't have a circle, you don't have to worry about that. A pen to mark, scissors to cut, and a hot glue gun to glue the foam into the picture. Of course, when I opened it up, I had little pieces because my frame was broke, and at the store I didn't see. So all I did was, I'm hoping this will work, I found a black marker, and then I guess let's just do it down here and see. It's a little dark for this frame, but it worked. So we'll go ahead and do it. There was a small piece chipped out there, and right there. So hopefully no one will be able to tell. Oh, there's another one. So try and pay attention when you get your frame. Hopefully you won't have as much problems as me. Okay, so now we are going to pull the tabs up on the back. Pull these up. We can also use scissors. There we go. Okay. You don't want to try and cut into the board here, the cardboard on the back. Okay, so let's see what's behind here. If I can. For some reason. Oh, it was glued down with some sticky tape. And then it's just on a cardboard backing. Okay, and then here's the key that they have it on. Okay, so set that over here. And we are going to, these are little rubbed off, so we're going to do down here. So I'm going to turn it over and put this on here. And then I'm just going to get my pen here and just cut this out. Okay, we don't need that piece. We have this piece, which that would be on this. Just take this. Okay, this is 5 inches. So half of that is 2.5. So, come in a little bit. Okay, and then up here's fine, and down there. Okay, so there we go. That was simple. Okay, so then I'm just going to keep this on this so as to not scratch my table too much. Do it again. Let's turn it over. Okay, so there's 7. So 3.5 is here. And now we're going to go along that line to get the 3.5 this way, and so right here. So that is the middle. So we're going to take our protractor and put it in there, and now we are going to turn this until we get back to, okay, there we go. Now we're cutting out the middle because it's fitting over that. So the middle part you don't care what happens to. So you can cut it however you want. I don't have a really good science to this. I'm just trying to make it easy to open so we can trim it down. Okay, so now just go out and then cut along the line you made with the protractor. And then we'll trim it wherever it needs to be trimmed once we put it on there. Okay, so here's what it looks like after I cut out the middle, just like so. So we won't need this, and since it's going under the glass, we don't need to spray it with any hairspray to keep the glitter from coming off because it'll be contained in there. So now we're just going to see if it fits. And it does. So to keep it in place, I'm going to grab a little bit of the double-sided tape and we're going to put just a little bit in the sides just so it stays. Okay, now that I got that corner done, I'm just going to put a little bit that side, just all the corners. Doesn't have to be much tape. Now I have decided to, I still think it needed a little bit more bling to it. So I had these glass gems. They're just blue. They're like the blue that's on here. So I am just going to glue them around, and then that'll help with the seam. So put this over here. And then I'm just going to lay these all out so that way as I'm gluing them, I know how much space to put them into them, because I don't want to end up with nothing in one of the areas. Shadow box. Probably should have got a few more. Okay, we'll fit this last one right in there. Okay, and so there's what it'll look like. So we are just going to hot glue these down. And I'm going to just put a dollop down. So we're just working around the circle. I'm just lining it up with this line, and then it kind of goes out into the into the hearts. So then you don't see, maybe you cut a little different. And this way, whoops, this way you won't see if you made an error. Just need a little bit of patience. So don't do this if you're in a hurry. You should take your time to make it around, and then you got all the little strings. Good, 2 more. And I like it because I do not have any spaces. Okay, now we're just going to double check to make sure that I didn't miss any after I pull a little bit of this off. Okay. Yep, they're all attached on there. That really gives it a little bit of, I want to say bling, but okay, now we are going to put it back in the frame. Oops, after I take the glue back out. Okay, here's the hanging, so we want to make sure when we flip it that we put it in the correct way. So I'm just going to flip it over and put it, let's see here, there it is. Okay, there we go. And then we're just going to put the tabs back. I like to do opposite corners. I guess they do stick up a little bit because I can feel that they're pushing up a little bit on this frame. Okay. And there we go. So now all we have to do is add this flower. And since I had that problem with the chip over here, I'm going to add the flower here in this corner. Okay, so again, we're just putting a good dollop here in the corner and up a little bit on the frame. And then we are just setting the flower in it. And just hold it there since I had a good dollop of it, just to make sure it stays in the corner there. And there we go. And that's all. That's really to it. You can add if you need to. If you notice it's must not be dry enough yet. There we go. You can do other flowers around if you want to, but I just like the one here by itself. So I think that turned out pretty good. Then just fix your flower if you don't like how it is.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you got some inspiration. Click on the Show More below to find out more about the items I used today. And we'll see you next time. And remember to make some loving memories today.